Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the Zebra QLn420 Direct Thermal Printer. This is a renewed model, so keep that in mind as we go through its features. First off, this is a portable printer, which is a huge plus for anyone needing to print labels on the go. It uses direct thermal printing, so you won't need to worry about ink cartridges or toners, just thermal labels. It prints in monochrome, which is standard for label printers, and offers a print width of 4.10 inches. One of the standout features is the peel facility, making it easy to quickly apply labels after they're printed. It boasts a print speed of 4 inches per second in mono, which is pretty decent for a portable printer. The resolution is 203 dpi, providing clear and readable labels. Inside, it has 128 megabytes of memory, which should be sufficient for storing label templates and fonts. Connectivity options are quite versatile, including Bluetooth, USB, and serial, catering to various devices and systems. A battery is included, ensuring true portability, and it also features an LCD for easy navigation and status updates. The compact size, with a width of 4.41 inches, makes it easy to carry around. Being a renewed model, the price point is attractive, but it's important to check the warranty and return policy from the seller. While it may not be brand new, a renewed QLn420 can be a cost-effective solution for businesses needing a reliable and portable label printing solution. It's ideal for retail, healthcare, or any field service application where on-demand label printing is essential. The Zebra QLn420 offers a blend of portability, functionality, and value, making it a strong contender in the portable label printer market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.